Hello, I am Mesud Bilirgen. My department is Electrical and Electronics Engineering. It is my Physics 101 project. My objective of the experiment is energy conservation between spring potential energy and gravitational potential energy. The theory I will demonstrate is that maximum height the object can go is proportional with compression amount squared and inversely proportional with the mass of the object. It will allow us to make comparison between expected and experimental values too. The equipment to do that is different masses, a spring, a ruler, a wood block to make inclined plane, and of course a air table to make to neglect the friction. Let's do one example. Sparking timer will also make better compression, better measurements of that maximum height.
The procedure to realize this experiment is the following. We should make an inclined plane and place a spring with a constant. We should note that spring constant and gravitational acceleration. In this experiment, spring constant is 330 Newton over meter and gravitational acceleration is 9.81 meter over second squared. At first part of the experiment, we will perform experiments with different masses and same amount of compression. In this setup, the puck was 420 grams, and by adding masses of 100 grams, we got 5 different mass value. At second part of the experiment, we will perform experiments with different amounts of compression, but with same mass. After making measurements of experiments, we compared them with expected values obtained following equation to calculate errors. From energy conservation, the difference of gravitational potential energy equals to the initial spring potential energy. So the maximum height the object can go is spring constant times compression squared over 2 times the weight. For the first part of the experiment, we did experiments with these values for 5 times and calculated the error. After that, we plotted the graph. Similarly for part 2. It is noticeable that experimental results were less than expected results. Energy loss caused by air resistance and friction was the reason of that. Despite these deviations, the experimental outcomes effectively confirmed the theory, providing a clear understanding of relationship between compression and mass with maximum height in this conservation of energy system.
The errors occur due to the friction and the measurement errors.